Hello and welcome to this EFT video where we're going to look at some finger points today. So these are points on our fingers that are equally effective as your standard EFT points, but they're much more discreet. My name is Mia Carlson and I'm a certified EFT therapist. And EFT is such a great tool and it's been a game changer in my own life. But what it's not is being subtle or discreet. So perhaps in that meeting situation, in the audition, you don't want to sit, tapping your head or under your arm where other people can see you. But then it's great that we have these finger points. And you can find them here by the nail on each finger. So if you hold out your hands like this, it's on the side of the fingers that faces the other hand, that's closest to the other hand. So it's on this side, and then it's here, and it's here, but on the ring finger, it's on the other side, and then back here. So we tap here, just by the nail, and then here, here, and here, and then here. And you can just sit, like rubbing this point or tapping gently with your other thumb, and then moving on to your other finger. And it's great because you can have your hands in your pockets or you can have them under the table and no one would ever notice. You can do what I do. So I take this thumb point and I rub it against the other finger points and move. So it just takes a little bit of coordination. And you can use this just like you would use a normal EFT round. So you can say a short reminder phrase for each one. For example, I am so nervous. I am so nervous. I am so nervous. Or you can just tap and breathe. Or tapping if you would prefer doing tapping like this. Okay, I hope this was helpful and I'll see you next time. Bye.